Good morning. This is Jocelyn from the West Essex YMCA, and I would like to do some mindfulness this morning. I woke up and I heard the birds chirping this morning, and it kind of gave me a moment to reflect. And that reflection had to do with the birds and being happy about spring. So today, I'd like to meditate with the birds during the sunrise. So what I'd like you to do, everyone, I'd like you to sit up nice and tall, and I want you to relax your shoulders, and I want you to hold your belly, and I want you to breathe in, fill your belly up, hold it, and let it out. Now, I want you to close your eyes. And I want you to hold your belly again. And I want you to breathe in. Hold it. And let it out slowly. And while you're breathing at your own pace, remember to close your eyes. I'd like you to listen to the sounds around you. Breathe in. And out. And when you're sitting, I'd like you to sit with your feet flat on the ground. I want you to feel the ground. I want you to take your toes, and I want you to press them into the ground. I want you to keep breathing at your own pace. And I want you to really feel your toes touching the ground. Now I want you to shift that weight of your toes pressing into the ground. And now I want you to press your heels into the ground. I want you to hold your heels, pressing them into the ground. And I want you to hold that pressure into the ground for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. I want you to continue to breathe. I want you to continue to notice the sounds around you. Over here where I am outside, I can hear the birds chirping. Those are the things I'm focusing on. I'm thinking about how the birds must be so happy that it's spring. Breathe in. Hold it. Let it out. And when we're breathing in like that, I want us to really try and hold our bellies and breathe into our belly. Breathe in. Hold. Let it out. Now, I want you to feel the pressure of the ground in your legs. So what I want you to do is I want you to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze every muscle really tight in your legs. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze everything. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Keep breathing at your own pace, and notice the sounds around you. What do you hear? And try to pay attention to different things you hear. So not only do I hear the birds, I also hear the wind. Now, I want you to focus on your belly. So what I want you to do is make your ab muscles really, really tight. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze everything. 3, 2, 1, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. And keep taking in those mindful breaths. Keep feeling your feet on the ground. Try to remind yourself of your posture. Sitting nice and tall, shoulders relaxed. Feet flat and firm on the ground. Now what I'd like you to do is pay attention to your shoulders. On the count of 3, I'm going to squeeze all the muscles and hold everything really tight near our shoulders. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Keep breathing. Keep feeling your feet firmly on the ground. Keep noticing the sounds around you. Now I heard the birds, the wind, and some cars rushing in the background. Breathe in. Breathe out. My feet are still firmly on the ground. Now, I want you to pay attention to your hands. I want you to hold them tight. I want you to make fists. And I want you to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze everything in your fists. Squeeze, 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 and hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. And breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Now I want you to take your 2 fingers from each side of your hand. So one hand has 2 fingers, the other hand has 2 fingers together, and I want you to put them on the outsides of your temples, the sides of your forehead, and I want you to massage your temples. We're going to roll forward keep rolling forward. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Now, we're going to reverse. We're going to go the other way. So if we rolled forward on our temples, now we're going to roll backwards. And let's go. Roll. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now I want you to clasp your hands together. I want you to breathe in and out. And now with your hands together, I want you to hold those hands together tight, squeezing them together, and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. I want you to breathe in and out, and notice the sounds around you. I hear birds, wind, the cars. I think I might hear a train, I'm not sure. Might be off in the distance. I hear the different sounds of the cars though. I can hear when one car is going really fast, just now. Then I can also hear when the cars are going slow. Try to think about the speed of cars and the different sounds you hear. You hear the rubber of the tires on the ground. Bigger vehicles like trucks almost have a deeper sound. Breathe in and out. Well, I like to hear the different sounds of the cars and the trucks. I do like to shift back to the birds because they sound more peaceful to me. Breathe in and out. Now I want you to open your eyes. It's kind of cool. The light the sun started to come up. So when I closed my eyes earlier, it was darker than it is now. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to take your hands, I'd like you to put them together, and I would like you to fold your 3 fingers so that you have a point. I want you to shoot that point up into the sky. Make your torso, your body nice and long. Breathe in and out. And what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to lean to the left. My left might be your right, that's fine, either way. I'd like you to hold that stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it to the middle. Breathe in and out. Now, I'd like you to lean to the other side. Stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1, and bring it up. And bring your hands to your belly. Breathe in. And out. Now, I'd like you to put your arms out to your side, although I need a little space for my arm. So I'm going to scoot over a little bit. Try not to drop everything. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my arms out like this, like a T, nice and strong. And we're going to do some arm circles forward from our seats. And we're going to do 10 arm circles forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Freeze. Now, I want you to keep your arms in a T. I'm going to go backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and freeze. Hold it. And I want you to put your arms straight out. Breathe in. And out. Now I'd like you to do arm circles forward again. Don't let your arms go down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Freeze. Probably really feeling the muscles in your arms. Now we're going to go backwards this way. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and freeze. Put your hands at the center. Breathe in and out. Now I want you to take your hands. I want you to spread your fingers out very far. I want you to place them together, nice and stiff. And I want you to put your thumb on your chest and radiate those hands out. And squeeze, press your hands together as hard as you can. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Now what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to say the word mantra. Mantra, right? And we're going to say a mantra together today. So that mantra, the first sentence is going to be, I am calm. So say that to yourself. I am calm. The second sentence we're going to say is, I am peaceful. You can say that with me. I am peaceful. The next sentence we're going to say, I am clear. Say it with me. I am clear. The next sentence we're going to say is, I face fear. Say it with me. I face fear. Now I want you to take your hands out like this. And if your eyes aren't already open, I hope they are, so you can see what I'm doing. And I'd like you to take your pointer finger and point it to your thumb. And I'd like you to say, I am calm. Now we're going to shift to the next finger. And I'd like you to say, I am peaceful. Now I'd like you to shift to the next finger. I am clear. And I'd like you to shift to the next finger. I face fear. So we're going to say these words a little faster, and we're going to say them together as we point to our fingers. Do you think you can do that with me? I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. Now you can close your eyes, and we're going to do this together. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. Again, I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. And freeze. Now we're going to do the same thing. Instead of saying it out loud like this, we're going to whisper. So everyone whisper with me. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. And freeze. Now we're going to do the same thing, but I don't want you to say those words out loud or whispering. I'd like you to do them right here inside your head, and I'd like you to look at your fingers as they move. Now we're going to go back to whispering. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. Now we're going to say it out loud. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am clear. I face fear. Now put your hands together. I want you to rub them. Rub them really fast. I want you to create heat. Keep rubbing. Faster and faster. And now I want you to let go. And I want you to feel a ball of energy. And I want you to breathe into that energy. So when we breathe in, our ball is going to get bigger. And when we breathe out, the ball is going to get smaller. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. I want you to breathe in and hold it this time. Breathe in. And I want you to take that ball of energy, and I want you to send this ball of energy full of positivity out into the world. Release. Hold your belly. Take a final breath. And out. And I want you to remember that you are calm, you are peaceful, you are clear, and you face fear. Okay? And I want you to put your hands together. I'm going to say namaste. And if you can, I'd like you to like, share, comment on this video. And I'd like you to keep your mantras in your head. There'll be more mantras to come. There'll be more mindfulness to come. And I want you to hold on to the positivity you find in your day. For me, it's the birds and the sunrise. Have a great day, YMCA family.